Alright guys, this is part 4 of my Lumia 5.1 reef tank LED build. It's a 100 watt full spectrum. And I just finished the project box. Turned out pretty nice. Here goes the Lux Storm X mounted in the front. Very nice. And see, I made it vented on top. See a fan right there. And in the back, it's one simple plug. My 3 VGAs go into my 3 pendants. Show you guys the inside of this. Got a nice quiet fan, computer fan on top of my power supply. Everything's nice and neat. It's my fan controller right there. Came out nice, I think. Next part of the video series that I've been making for this project. You guys will see it over the tank. And I'm going to give you guys par readings.